I'm Erica Ferrari with New to the Street here at Oakridge Global Energy Solutions, an integrated made-in-USA energy storage solutions company that uses state-of-the-art technology to focus on making and developing advanced, high-quality cells, batteries, and power systems. And here now with me is Steve Barber, the company's CEO. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Erica. Thank you for coming.
Steve, before we take the tour and learn about Oakridge, I know you're originally from Brisbane, Australia, but I wanted to say that it was great to hear you speak about the Made in USA strategy for manufacturing high-tech lithium batteries. All this brings jobs back to the USA. Can you tell me more about your focus?
Well, Erica, it's really simple. I've been doing business with my wife here in the USA for on and off almost 3 decades, and I've been writing for about a decade on the importance of onshoring jobs back to both America and to Australia, because the big problem we have in both our countries is that they're all going to the Far East. So this time we thought we'd actually put our money where our mouth is and actually do it ourselves. And the big growth area that we see, and it's recession-proof pretty much, is lithium batteries, because the growth factor from all of the things you read in the research analyst reports about lithium-ion battery space, it's a $70 billion market by 2020.
Oakridge Global Energy Solutions are used in consumer, government, industrial, and military applications. Their core business is in the design, development, and manufacturing of small to large format lithium-ion cells, batteries, and battery systems. So, Steve, why did you choose Palm Bay, Florida?
Well, it's really quite simple, because Palm Bay is one of the major centres of the Space Coast, and with all of the cutbacks from NASA, the defence industry, and the effects of the recession, the whole of the Space Coast, as everyone heard from Governor Scott earlier this morning, has been heavily hit in terms of jobs.
And what products are you going to make here?
Well, it's really simple. You're standing in front of some examples of them right now. These small ones are our Patriot series, and you can see how light they are. Lithium is the lightest, it's the lightest metal in the periodic table, lightest metal in the universe, whereas lead, that is always used to be used, is the heaviest. It's heavy as gold. So light, ultra-lightweight for remote controls. That's what these ones are. Remote control vehicles, boats, and toys, all of these little vehicles. And then these bigger boxes here, they're our golf car batteries and for local area electric vehicles. And they're made with these larger cells, also pretty light, as you can see.
Very light.
That's as much power as a car battery, and it weighs 1/5 of the weight.
Unbelievable.
Incredible, huh? This is a very special Harley-Davidson, apart from the fact that it's mine, and we're using it as the prototype test bed for the Liberty Series starter motor battery for Harley-Davidson.
So, Steve, what's happening here?
You're now in the battery assembly room.
And it's all done by hand.
At the moment, and it's going to be increasingly automated, and we can show you that next door.
Great. So we just came from the manual battery assembly room. What's going to happen here?
Well, this is all going to be fully automated, and this entire empty space now, and we've got 2 floors here, so there's about 4 times the size of this room in this building, and it's going to be absolutely full of all of our new automated equipment, which is still going to employ a lot of people, but it helps with the quality control. We've already got a fair bit of this equipment in our existing facility about 15 minutes away, but you can see this is all fully automated, state-of-the-art. You can see the operator there working the controls and so forth. This room's going to be full of that. This is the next phase. This is actually where it all starts. So this is actually mixing the slurry of the lithium-ion material, and it's all completely environmentally friendly, totally vacuum sealed, incredibly clean, because this is a diagram. These are the actual machines up here. This is the mixer. So what happens is, up here on rails, there is the powder, electrolyte powder, and then the liquid is automatically injected under a vacuum. This slides along. Each one of these is a mixer, like that. And so the material under vacuum, completely clean, goes absolutely dust-free, goes into the mixer, and then this bowl comes up automatically and then closes under vacuum. These purple things are really specially designed high-speed mixing things just like the Mixmaster in your kitchen, but really large. This is about 20 feet high. And they're designed, the particular design of those mixing bats is such that when they go at ultra high speed under a vacuum, they break down all the chemical bonds in the slurry so that it's ultra smooth. Because what this is all about is making really smooth, high quality paste. And that's the next storyboard here. This is a electrode coating machine. We've already got 4 of these at our other facility, and they're the 4 largest electrode coating machines in North America. We're ordering 10 more of these, and these are the latest design scenarios. So you can see here the silver, this is aluminum foil, and then that's copper foil, depending on whether it's an anode or a cathode, with the black stuff, which we mixed from the previous storyboard. It's then injected in a pipe, again under vacuum, totally clean. The injector coats this foil, and then the oven heats it so that it comes out the other end, a nice usable electrode.
So what's next for your company?
Well, Erica, what's next for the company? You've seen everything we're doing now. This is the large format battery manufacturing machinery. The next thing is really, really tiny stuff. Like I said, the fingernail of your small finger is what we have in this company as our patents for the future. And it's called thin film solid state batteries. And we're going to go into production with those at the end of 2016, early 2017. And the applications of those are so cool. Medical technology, nanotechnology, sensors for rotational sensors for motor car tires so that people can, manufacturers can check on their warranties and the mileage of tires and all that sort of stuff. More importantly, the things that power the clocks in your smartphone.
Wow.
They require a different battery from the battery that powers your smartphone, and they'll last for years. So that's the future, and it's incredibly small and incredibly cool.
And it'll all be happening right here.
Right here in Brevard County, Space Coast.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you. And if you want to learn more about Oakridge Global Energy Solutions, visit oakg.net. Back to our New to the Street studios in New York City.